What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, that was a long freaking drive. Long freaking drive, man. We freaking made it back to the house, man. Got the baby right here. Mama, say what's up. Say what's up.
Sure.
Say how you doing. Anyways, we made it back to the crib, man. So it's finally time to shine, man. It's time to get that thing shining, gliding, and off of the truck, man. I can't wait to see what that thing is looking like right here in the sun. So let's get it going, man. You already know I can't wait, man. I just took 19 hours both ways, only slept about maybe an hour and a half, if that. So, man, I should be asleep right now. I should be tired, but the excitement is too much, man. So without further ado, if you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Finally, where we've been wanting to get for the last 20 hours, right here at the car wash. You feel me? Time to get this thing shined up, looking like something for moi. Y'all don't know how excited I am. It looked like dude took off his little thing right here. So judging by this air breather, my guess is it's not stock, but we'll just have to see when we take that first ride, baby. Mama, you ready? Ready? Okie dokie. Yes, sir. Just like that. She is looking fabulous, man. We got that windshield took off, and this thing is looking like a real road king. Oh my goodness. This black is actually, it looks really, really good, actually. I ain't gonna even hold you. I might just keep it black. This thing looks so good. Murdered out. You guys know I'm not really a black type of bike type of guy, but this one does look really good, man. Let me know what y'all thinking about it in the comments below. This thing cleaned up real good. Let's get to the house and offload this thing real quick. Yes, sir. Just got back to the crib. She is looking nice. Oh my God. Wow, man. I literally cannot wait to offload this thing and just sit on it, man. Oh my goodness. Come on, mama, let's get out. Hurry up. We gotta go. Man, we done pulled that thing off. Literally haven't even wiped it down. Of course we washed it, but literally haven't detailed it up or nothing. This black is looking amazing. Mama, we not about to detail right now. 1 second. We're gonna detail in a minute, okay? So, anyways, really great looking Harley, dog. Really great looking Harley. So, let's bring you up to speed, man. We picked this one up yesterday in Arkansas. This was the only damage. There is this rear fender. That little bracket is broken too, but no big deal because we do have a whole another fender over here ready to go. Now, I didn't really care for the black, but man, now that I got this thing pulled off and cleaned up, this black is actually looking really, really good, man. So I might keep this one black. I don't know. I like it so far. I ain't gonna hold you. The other little damage was right here. No big deal. You can go get another one of those really quick. No big deal. I took off the windshield down. With the windshield, it looked cool, but like this, it looks even better, dog. Even better. Got that 19-inch up front. Looks really good. Little scrape on here. No big deal. Like I said, man, this thing is already clean. It's a clean title, so it's not really much to do but start this thing up. Let's see. Definitely got a deep sound to it. Definitely got a deep sound to it. We need that, like, that LED type light. This yellow light is not gonna do it. Not gonna cut it for us. Also, so basically, if we can get this whole new, like, light that we got on the CVO with those little lights with this trim piece, we'll be good. That's exactly what I want to put on here, as well as that same windshield. I think it'll look freaking sick. I am digging it, y'all. Brake lights and everything still go. Really good looking bike. Looks like it's gonna be 12,000 miles, 12,300 miles. Woo! Things sound good. Oh my God. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below, dog. Alrighty, man. Now that we got that thing pulled off, we heard it. I actually rode it around real quick, but I want to get you guys some good content, man. So I'm not even going to ride it until I go get that front camera mount. But before we do that, I'm going to clean this thing up. I mean, it's already clean, but, you know, actually just see what's up with it, put it on the stand, and then just check everything out from front to back. Because, like, it's no damage, so you really just want to take a good look and make sure, man. So that's what we're going to do, put it on the stand and get this thing cleaned up. Go get that front camera mount and take this thing on a ride, man. At least that's the plan, so let's get it in. Sir, got them things pulled out. Both the Kings is together, meeting and greeting, getting along nicely. Definitely getting along nicely. Now, which one you guys like better? The all black or the black and orange? I can't seem to figure out which one I like the best, but we'll see. Oh, you like the orange one? Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I was just asking my buddy, I'm like, which one you like better, the orange one or the black one? And you said the orange, so that's perfect. I'm dying.
Good ideas for my glide.
Oh, yeah? What, you got a street glide, road glide?
It's a road glide with an ultra classic front end, so it's got the street glide front end.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, so y'all heard it first. The other guy likes the orange. The orange is nice. Of course it's nice. It's just we had it for like about a week and a half, 2 weeks, so it's like it's grown on me, and I like got over it. But this black is hitting. I love this black, man, but y'all know I don't really like black bikes like that, but this black does look really, really good, man. Really, really good, man. I gotta get y'all like some type of slow-mo or something, man. This thing is hard. Then we did get a cold start on this one. We do have the new cups in the mail, so whenever we get that wheel and stuff back, we'll put them cups on, so no big deal there. Does sound good, run good, all the above. Y'all see it though, man. Y'all see it though, man. Alrighty, man. Later on in the day here, got Mama back there, big chilling. Got a call from BBV. I guess they got all the parts and stuff in stock, so they're gonna start doing the bars and all that now. So it's been there for about a week, but you know, no biggie. It's been saving us some space at the house, and they're doing all the, you know, everything for it. So just about to head up here real quick and check it out. I'm still freaking tired, dog, but you know, gotta get it done. So let's see what it's looking like. Alrighty, just pulled up to BBV. What up, man?
What's up?
How you doing?
Doing good.
Cool. So, oh, dang, we got the fairing up there. Dang, that thing stand out. All these motorcycle parts, that blue stands out in the corner over there, man.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we got the bars right here. Oh, yeah, these look good. These things are huge, but they look good. They do look good. I like the curve to it.
Literally the only ones available.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually like those. Those look really nice. I had those same style on the CVO.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I like that style a lot. Okay. So y'all see it here, man. The blue bike should be done pretty soon. We are getting it together, man. So soon as we get everything together and come back out this way, because we got to go to LA and pick up the bags for the CVO on Saturday. So by the time we come back out here Saturday, or rather Tuesday of next week when they open back up, this thing should be done and totally complete and have that wheel waiting for it, man. So we done dropped off the keys so they can get the bar and all that stuff. But other than that, we are good to go. Got all the parts right here. So it's time to shine, man. All right, so I couldn't find my chest mount no more, but I did find a new GoPro Hero 9. So that footage should be new and crisp and better than before, man. And then we also do have our helmet mount here, man. So I'm gonna try to bring y'all some really great exclusive footage, man. I really can't wait. Alrighty, guys, bright and early next morning here, man. Wasn't able to find the chest mount, but we found something better. We do have a helmet mount now, and then we also have this little handlebar mount. So we just gonna start testing angles and see what works best for us. So let's hop on this thing, go to the gas station, and go for a little ride, man. That was a beautiful ride, dog. This bike is like freaking amazing. I love this bike, dog. I ain't gonna even hold you. The road glide was nice. This one is a lot more easier because like It doesn't have like a bunch of stuff up front. It's literally just all riding, man. I'm loving this bike right now. How are you guys liking that footage, man? Let your boy know right now in the comments below, man. This thing is looking and riding amazing out here in the canyons, dog. Oh man, that was a freaking fun little, just fun ride, dog. These pipes sound amazing on this thing, dog. I'm loving it. I literally can't even make this up, dog. This is probably my favorite bike right now, honestly. Even over the Road Glide, I really like this one. So I actually, if you guys remember the rims that was on the red bike, I have another set getting made for this one right now. So whoever wins this bike will get the rims. We got a Corbin seat coming today, an all black Corbin seat. And I really like this bike all black, man. I hope we can keep it black, man. I really like this black murdered out look. It looks so sick. And then we are going to get this headlight bezel along with that like 7-inch little, I don't know if it's 7 inches, but this extended piece right here, we're going to throw that on there, man. So stay tuned and let's get this thing pulled in real quick. Got that joint pulled in, looking real good, man. I'm loving it. We are giving a CVO away today, man, so stay tuned. Come back today, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going live tonight, giving the CVO away, seeing where it's going, man. I hit up Antonio. He literally just got the color. I guess it takes a while to match the color to see if it's actually the right color. A few days, rather, if you don't got the color code. So Antonio's getting that done for us. He said it should be done by like Saturday, so maybe tomorrow. We'll see what's up with that after the giveaway, so stay tuned for that. This one will be up for giveaway tonight, man. You guys got to go purchase a Everything's Regular hat and you'll be entered in for the giveaway. So stay tuned for that, dog. So alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. We got the black bike offloaded, cleaned up, riding good. Everything is checking out on this thing, man. I really love this black bike. It looks really good. You know, I'm not really a black Harley riding type of guy, but I really love the black on here, and it is the special, so everything else is blacked out along with it. Can't wait to see that thing come together. We do have a new set of rims ordered for it already, as well as the Corbin seat. So we'll have a Corbin seat, and then this is the actual windshield for the CVO, so we're gonna be getting another windshield as well, so no big deal there. But as for this one, man, it's up right now. If you guys go get your Everything's Regular hat, it will take a while because it's pre-ordered. It's a lot of y'all. So if you able to get a hat, man, you're going to be entered in the giveaway. So stay tuned for that. As for the CVO, we will be giving that thing away today at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But if you can't wait, man, you guys already know the 2017 Road Glide, we are giving it away, man. So be sure to hit everythingsregular.com, cop your hat, and that is your entry into the giveaway, man. So with that being said, I will have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.